Hey everybody, it's Tim from Tim's Detailing Obsession, and today's obsession is laundry. Yeah, it's laundry day, and we got a stack of microfiber towels from several jobs that just were finished up, and laundry's starting to pile up, and it's time to get ahead of the game here and get them done, get them washed. But how do you wash it? Well, we don't want to put it in with the obsession wear because that's not good for microfiber towels. Why? Well, if you want to know how to properly care for your microfiber towels, stay tuned. All right, so it's laundry day, and we're going to get started on laundry, and the first thing we want to do is get all our microfiber towels and separate them from all our other clothing or anything. It's just microfiber laundry day, and the reason why is because microfiber towels will pick up any lint or anything from other fabrics that we have in our laundry. So of course we don't want to put any of our apparel or anything like that in with the microfiber towels. Rule number one, right? Okay, so proper care of our microfiber towels is going to start off with separating our laundry. And right now I've got a whole basket plump full of towels, and so I'm going to just simply separate these. And why am I going to separate them? Why don't I just dump the whole works in there and just wash them? Well, many of you might clean engine bays. In engine bays you have grease. A lot of us are polishing cars. We have compounds and we have abrasives from polishing and wiping off clear coating in abrasives and things like that. Well, interior work, we've got different chemicals that we use in our interiors, and of course all of them bring dirt and debris into the microfiber towels. So it's really important that we separate them. We don't want to really be washing them greasy engine bay microfibers with, say, our polishing towels. So what is a microfiber towel? Why does it make it so much different than just a standard towel? Microfiber towels are made from two different materials generally. One's a polyester and the other one is a polyamide. So I'm going to bring this towel in and give you maybe a little bit better look. And basically the microfiber has small little fingers, if you will, and those fingers grab onto our dirt, onto the dust when we're cleaning and polishing or whatever we're using that microfiber for. A little different than just a standard cloth, okay? So they have a special place in the detailing business because we really want to be able to make sure all the dirt and the dust comes off onto the towel, does not stay on the vehicle. So yeah, that special little weave is really important. We're going to talk more about that. So after we have everything separated, it's time to start washing. So here's a closer look at our washing machine, and your washing machine may differ a little bit, and that's fine. There are many makes and models, but basically they all do the same thing. So first thing we're going to do when we're setting up to do our microfibers is we're going to turn our dial to the normal setting. And you probably have something very similar. We want some agitation. The whole point of washing our towels is to remove the dirt, the debris that's locked into those fingers on that weaved microfiber towel. So that little bit of agitation is perfect. We don't need to go heavy duty or delicate or anything like that. Just a normal wash is fine. The water temp is the most important thing. We want to have that set to cold. The microfiber weave, if you will melt if we use hot water. Okay, we want that weave to stay in perfect shape. That's what gives its ability to pull the dirt, to cling on, to grab, if you will, all that dirt and debris. So the other setting, if you have it on your particular model, will be the one right next to it here, which is our rinse cycle. And if you have two rinses, obviously the more that we can rinse out our towels to just continue to loosen and remove any debris, the better. So the next thing we do is we just load this machine up with our microfibers and run our wash cycle. What do we use for detergent? That'll be the next question. So I have something that you can find right at your local Walmart, your local grocery store, any outlet like that. You can go online and purchase a microfiber soap, okay, laundry soap. They do make that, but you can go right to your grocery store and buy a product just like this. Tide makes it. This one here happens to be the All brand. It is free and clear. Anything that is a free and clear, okay? We don't want any dyes. We don't want any fabric softener in our product. We don't want any bleach. We just want pure detergent. That's what we're going to use in our wash, okay? So you just load your wash machine with your laundry. You use your detergent just like you would any normal load of laundry, okay? But just make sure you're not using fabric softener, bleach, just simply this detergent, and you're good to go. Remember, make sure you have that set to cold, okay? You want to rinse only in cold water. That is, again, the big key here. All right, so we will load our machine, then we wash our laundry. Now we have a couple options as far as drying. The best option is to either air dry them inside if you have a nice little rack in your laundry room where you can just put your towels out. But there's just something about running them through the dryer that makes them just that little bit softer, fluffier, and also gives like an electrostatic charge. And if you do your research on it, that electrostatic charge that is in a microfiber towel helps to pick up that dust, okay? So it's beneficial to actually put them in the dryer. So a couple things, we have a couple different settings. And so the very first one, again, that is really, really important is our temp. And our temp, we want to be as low as possible. We do not want high temp. We do not want to melt those fibers in them weaved little fingers. Okay, we want to make sure we protect them. So very, very low heat. Okay, then we're going to come over here, and we do have an air only setting. Okay, which is fantastic. If you can get it so you have just air only, it'll just tumble in your dryer and dry naturally. As we load our dryer, we want to make sure we don't use those fabric softener sheets. No fabric softener whatsoever, okay? Just put your wet towels in the dryer, set your temp at low or no heat, and air only if you have it, and just let them tumble. And 30 minutes or so later, all your towels are going to come out dry and clean, and they're going to be ready to use again. Washing our microfibers is really important. These are tools. I mean, a lot of times we just think of them as towels, and we don't really take great care of our towels, but they are essential in our detailing business. They do all that dirty work. They get in there and they're wiping away the grime. We use them for every aspect of our cleaning. So take care of your microfibers. When we're done washing them, they should be nice and supple, ready to go. They kind of got a little cleaniness to them. That's what you want. And again, I like to use a little Tupperware container, and I just set them in, and now there's nothing that'll get on them, no dust, nothing that will get on my towels, and they're ready to use the very next time. So this is laundry day. So I hope this was helpful. It's just some simple things, but the keys here to remember are low heat or no heat when we're drying. And obviously when we're washing, the same kind of concept. We want to make sure that our water temperature is at cold. Get yourself some free and clear laundry detergent. That's perfect for what you need to do. Get your towels clean and keep them safe. So I hope this was helpful. You guys come back for more content Give me a like, subscribe. We will see you next time. Thanks for joining me.